This video is for Amazon beginners, and today we're going to go over how to sell on Amazon as a beginner. First, you'll need to sign up. In order to become an Amazon seller, you have to go through an application process. You can find the application link on Google by searching Apply to Sell on Amazon, or just go to sell.amazon.com. It usually takes a few days to a month to get approved. It all comes down to how good of a job you did when getting all your documents together. You'll need to give basic info like your bank details, photo ID, tax info, and contact info. Make sure all the documents match up perfectly. Like for example, make sure your bank statement matches your business registration documents. Be sure the name on the address is exactly the same across all the documents. They might also ask to have a verification call. I know it sounds crazy, but they do this to make sure it's actually you applying for the account. Next, you'll have to decide if you want an individual or a pro plan. When you sign up, you can choose between the basic plan or the pro plan. The basic plan charges a fee for each sale, while the pro plan has a monthly fee. Start with the basic one unless you're selling a lot each month or need special features. The basic plan charges an extra $1 per transaction. I mean, there are other differences besides that, but to keep things simple, think of it that way. If you aren't selling at least 40 items a month, then the basic plan is fine to start with. The pro plan is $40 a month, so if you aren't selling 40 units a month, you can see why it makes sense to stay with the basic plan for a little while anyway. Next is shipping your products. There are two ways to send your products to customers. With FBM, which is fulfilled by merchant, you do everything by yourself, like packing and shipping. FBA can bring more sales, but it costs more. This does hold true in most cases, and there are huge benefits with FBA compared to FBM, but that's a topic for a different video. For today's purposes, simply know that FBM means you ship the item to the customer, and FBA means your stock sits with Amazon and they pick, pack, and ship for you, for a fee, of course. Once you're approved, you'll use Seller Central. It's where you list products, keep track of stock, deal with returns, and more. There are a few different ways to sell products on Amazon. Let's say you're getting name brand products from somewhere, then you would use the existing listings that are already there for you to list under. You would scan the product's barcode and then simply just list it to Amazon. Then you tell them how many you have, the price, and how you'll send it. If you have your own products like private label products, which is what we specialize in, then you would have to make your own listings. Let us know if you'd like to see a video with us making a listing from scratch. Seriously, let us know in the comments. The popularity of products on Amazon is called product rankings. Higher product rankings mean more people see and buy your stuff. Some products need to be approved before you can sell them. This is called gating. Others can sell right away. This is called ungated. You might need to show documents to sell gated products. Keep in mind that specific products can be gated as well as specific categories. Now let's talk about returns. Amazon has rules for returns. Oh, do they ever have rules for returns? And if the product is FBA, then Amazon will handle the whole process. If they are FBM, then the products get sent back directly to you for processing. That's pretty much the basics, guys. If you have any questions, start the conversation down in the comments. For more Amazon FBA tips and tricks, like and subscribe.